Meaning of fragile, adjective. Fragile means easily broken, damaged, or hurt, either physically, like glass, or emotionally, like someone's feelings. Examples. The label says fragile, so please handle the box carefully. The old vase is very fragile and could break easily. After the accident, his health became fragile. Her confidence was fragile after the harsh criticism. The peace agreement is fragile and could fail at any moment. Short story. The package arrived on a rainy morning. On the box, there was a big red word, fragile. Inside was a small glass bird, a gift from her grandmother. She held it gently, knowing it could break with one wrong move. At that moment, she realized something else felt fragile too, her memories. So she smiled, careful not to drop either the bird or the moment.